Hi, Granville County families. I'm at stop number 2, Northern Granville Middle School, where they are united for excellence and achievement for all. Northern Granville uses restorative practices because they understand that kids don't care what you know until they know that you care. Classes start their day with circles of trust.
That your best friend has. We learned about qualitative observations, about qualities, right? What qualities does your best friend have that makes them your best friend? Loyal, and she's okay because she's shy.
This restorative practice strengthens students' connections to teachers and to other students by focusing on positive connections. Staff at the school combine social-emotional learning with academics to support all students in reaching their highest potentials. This positive school community is united in helping students reach their goals. They are truly united for excellence and achievement for all.